Drivin Ivan here. This is a 993 twin turbo 1996. I've driven one Porsche 911 turbo 996. I own a 996. I own 4 other Porsches, 2 911s, air cooled, like this one, but mine's a Targa. This is much faster, much cooler. I'm going to take you for a quick spin in this one and tell you what I think. Let's go. This is my buddy's car. He's going to shoot it. Let's go. Let's go. Feels like a 911, and you know, that's the thing about it. It's very, very easy to drive. It's just beautifully thought out. This is let's see, 96, so you're almost 30 years on, right? 30 years on.
That's right, yeah.
In the Porsche history.
28 years.
1965. And of course, it came out as the 901. If you want to see the full Porsche museum tour I did in Stuttgart, you can see them all. It's okay. The talking is good. This is a real world review of the Porsche 911 in real world circumstances.
Yeah, for sure.
Can you see all of me? Is it zoomed out enough?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. We don't want to bore them. But this is just a real world driving experience. A little different than I usually do my reviews. Haven't felt the boost yet. Gonna feel it, but anyway, I have 5 Porsches and 2 911s and my Superbird 914. Check those out. And what else? My 928 5-speed manual. So this is very Porsche-like.
Yeah, for
very
sure.
Comfortable. You know, seats comfortable. The windshield right in front of you. Visibility is excellent. Even though I'm being overly cautious with everything because I don't want to mess up my friend's beautiful car. He took the time, and I was going to a car show. He's so good at detailing cars. He detailed my Lancia Delta Integrale, and it looked so amazing. It still looks good because he did so well. And it's also his 1971 911E that I reviewed, Chrystal blue. And I think, did I review your 968 once or anything else?
I don't know if you did the 968.
Okay,
it's on the list.
So we're taking it a little easy, but we're getting to be a little twisty back here, and you know, we can make the 911 come alive. We're at 22,000 RPMs and 40 miles an hour right here. Coming up to our first little bend, we can see if it feels like a 911. Woo, it does. That's the thing. You always know what the front wheels are doing. In this case, it's all-wheel drive, like my 996. So the way it feels is it's so 911-like. And I had a 964 Carrera 4 Cabriolet, and I did not like the all-wheel drive in that one. But I can feel already this all-wheel drive is better, and I do love it in the 996. Wow. yeah, that's something. You have to check out also my review of the kind of an Outlaw 95. It's also similar to this one, 93, from the same vintage. And wow. I said it about that one. That's probably the best 911 I've ever driven. And this one, I mean, you're a guy that owns a lot of Porsches, and I asked you, what your favorite one to drive. You just got a RS, is that right? RS America? Or
No,
European spec?
Euro spec, yeah.
Euro spec RS. I hope to review that one soon, but this is,
this is probably one of my favorites.
It is. It's so cool. It's a sunroof coupe, so everybody wants it, I do not get, I know purists are purists. I will never understand because I like the top down. I drove my Charlie Sheen Fiat 500C, the convertible, today, and I just love having the top down on any car. So, most people aren't going to track their cars, and most people are super, super, super uptight about, oh, you have to have a coupe, and it can't even have a sunroof. You can't enjoy anything. It's got to be stiff. Yeah, let's. I'll go ahead and turn back around here in a second, and maybe you can show us over the hood, because it's that look of the 911. That's one of the things you like. You see the 2 headlights, and it's just so cool. The way the 911 looks and the way the 911 feels. Like, I get just, this is the first time I've driven this car. I just hop right in. It feels like home because I have 2 911s. and they're just that sort of car. There's a, you know, even if you drive a 1971 911E like that. All right, let's poke it forward, show them those headlights, and just show. All right, I'm in second gear and boost, yeah, on right there. Woo. And the brakes. The first time I ever drove a 911, it was the brakes. They're so amazing. 911 brakes are just absolutely insane. Oh, see, you get like the front end, you lose a little grip in the front, but it catches up instantaneously, and it lets you know, it telepaths what exactly is going on all four wheels through the steering wheel like no other car you can drive. Am I right?
Absolutely.
I mean, everybody asks me all the time. I have a whole bunch of cars. Search for Drivin Ivan drives. I just imported a Jetta G26 that nobody's heard of. I love my Fiat Barchetta. I love my Citroen. That's a unique driving car. I like cars that are unique to drive. But everybody wants a 911. And by the way, this gear shift is so much better than the 915. What's this one? The G. What is this?
I'm not sure. It's not the G50. Maybe it is a G50.
Yeah, but it's probably the one after that.
G50 is the.
This is. It feels great. So I'm going to show you the brakes now. Put it in neutral, and the brakes. Oh my God! Here we go. Like, it's like you hit a wall, and that's what I noticed the first time I drove a 911.
Yeah.
It was like, oh my God, this car is absolutely the way it brakes. Because I was driving, my first car was a 1970 Chevelle 307, not fast, convertible, and wow, the brakes on the 911 are amazing. This twin turbo 1996 993 911. I'm gonna fist bump my friend right here. It is so good, and he has some amazing Porsches. Check out that Chrystal Blue 911E, and check me out taking this turn at ridiculous speed. Come on, come on. Show the turn. Come on, come on. Come on, it's gonna be fun. I gotta scare my friend a little, right? Anyway, this thing is amazing. And search any car in Drivin Ivan, and watch my music video, Free Your Mind. Has a lot of my car collection, musical instrument collection, and it's an original song too. What does Drivin Ivan drive? You should watch that video. The truth about driving the Lamborghini Countach, that's a good one. And some bucket list cars I've driven recently: the Alfa Romeo SZ, BMW Z8, and coming soon the BMW Z1. I've already driven it, and the review's coming very soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.